A few moments ago, Punch was dragged during a social interaction at Ichikawa City Zoo in Japan. The baby Japanese macaque, born on July 26, 2025, attempted to approach another infant inside a troop of 56 macaques. An adult female intervened and physically pulled him away. The video spread quickly online, and many viewers interpreted the scene as aggression. However, according to the official statement issued by Ichikawa City Zoo, the adult female was most likely protecting her own infant. Zoo spokesperson Takashi Yasunaga clarified that this behavior falls within natural macaque hierarchy enforcement, and that Punch did not suffer physical injury during the interaction. To understand what happened, we need to step back. Punch is the baby monkey from Ichikawa Zoo known worldwide for carrying an orange IKEA orangutan plush toy. After being rejected by his biological mother shortly after birth, he was hand-raised by zookeepers due to environmental conditions and maternal abandonment. Because of that maternal rejection, Punch did not inherit rank inside the macaque troop. In Japanese macaque society, Macaca fuscata, rank is passed down through the maternal line. Social position determines access to food, grooming partners, protection, and long-term alliances. A high-ranking female produces high-ranking offspring, and that inherited structure shapes an individual's entire social life. Punch entered the troop without maternal backing, without inherited alliances, and without a defined position. In a dominance-based primate system, that absence of rank is a structural disadvantage. In primate societies, lunging, dragging, pushing, and chasing are not random acts of cruelty. They are structured mechanisms that reinforce hierarchy and establish boundaries. What may appear violent to human observers often functions as corrective communication within a highly organized social system. Japanese macaques are also one of the most culturally complex non-human primates. They are famous for washing food in water, a behavior first observed in the 1950s and later transmitted socially across generations. Some populations even bathe in natural hot springs during winter, a practice that began with specific individuals and spread through imitation. In fact, Japanese macaques are the northernmost living non-human primate species in the world, surviving in snowy mountain regions where temperatures drop below freezing. Today, it is estimated that more than 100,000 Japanese macaques live in the wild across Japan. Macaque society is not only hierarchical, it is political. Grooming is not just hygiene, it is alliance building. Individuals groom strategically to reduce tension, negotiate status, and secure support during future conflicts. In some troops, grooming networks can even predict future dominance shifts. Punch, however, was raised by humans. That means he did not learn early-stage macaque communication cues in the same way as troop-born infants. Subtle signals of eye contact, posture, timing, and approach distance are critical in primate socialization. Missing those early lessons can complicate integration. This is where the IKEA plush becomes significant. Punch carries Oran Sam, a bright orange IKEA orangutan plush toy that he has used for comfort since infancy. In maternally deprived primates, substitute attachment objects can help regulate stress responses and stabilize emotional states. Research in primatology shows that tactile substitutes may reduce anxiety and help young individuals cope with social pressure. After the incident, Punch was seen running directly to the plush. This may not simply be comfort, it may be regulation. According to Ichikawa City Zoo, these social scoldings are essential for Punch's long-term survival inside the troop. Without experiencing correction and boundary setting, he would not learn how to function within a structured dominance hierarchy. Punch currently weighs around 2 kilograms and remains under close monitoring. The long-term goal, as stated by zoo specialists, is full independence. Successful integration into the macaque troop without reliance on the plush as emotional support. If we examine the full context, we see a young Japanese macaque born at Ichikawa City Zoo, rejected by his mother, hand-raised by humans, and now attempting to integrate into a culturally complex primate society. composed of 56 individuals. Struggle, in this case, is not cruelty. It is developmental process. Macaque hierarchies are strict, but they are dynamic. Young individuals can form alliances, build grooming partnerships, and gradually negotiate social standing over months or even years. The real question is not simply whether Punch was attacked. The real question is whether a maternally rejected, hand-raised baby monkey from Ichikawa City Zoo can successfully integrate into a dominance-driven macaque society. That is the process unfolding now. And this channel will continue documenting every verified stage of Punch's adaptation, along with other real stories of animal behavior and social dynamics in the wild and in zoological environments. No fiction, no exaggeration, just observed behavior.